Item: SCP-1542. Code Name: Subject: A-35. Object Class: Euclid. Special Containment Procedures: SCP-1542 is contained in a standard 3 m x 4 m x 4 m corrosion-resistant cell. The cell has been outfitted with a simple structure of pipe which functions as a form of resting area for SCP-1542. The organism's cell must be cleaned twice every month and any noticeable corrosion is to be repaired during this time. The entity is to be fed once daily by supplying a basin of nutrient-rich slurry formed from pureed meat and vegetable matter. SCP-1542 has displayed a noticeable aversion to foodstuffs containing capsaicin. Any and all personnel scheduled to interact with SCP-1542 on a regular basis must attend monthly psychological evaluations. SCP-1542 is currently stored at Sector 28 within Medical Ward 3. Transfer to Bioresearch Area 12 is currently under review. Description: SCP-1542 is a vaguely humanoid entity that consists primarily of muscle tissue anchored to a tubular structure composed of an unidentified foam-like substance. SCP-1542 measures 190 cm long and weighs 57 kg. The creature possesses rudimentary auditory organs situated inside the torso, and a heavily modified nervous system has been woven throughout the skeletal structure. The subject's muscle tissue secretes a solution of potent paralytic substances contained within a semi-acidic mucus. The substance appears to coat the entirety of its body and functions as a form of gelatinous skin. SCP-1542 does not possess a vascular system, respiratory system, or digestive tract, instead absorbing oxygen and nutrients through its mucus coating. The entity appears to prefer limbless locomotion, primarily contracting and expanding its torso to propel itself when traveling across its cell. SCP-1542 will utilize its limbs when climbing or navigating uneven terrain. On rare occasions the organism has been seen attempting bipedal movement. SCP-1542 has shown to be self-aware and on occasion has attempted to communicate with interacting staff members and cleaning crews. Addendum 1542-1. SCP-1542 was acquired from the sewage treatment facility located in Calgary, Alberta on 16 September 1998 after an emergency call was received about a living corpse. A small team of agents was deployed under the disguise of emergency response personnel. SCP-1542 was located within the primary screening waste deposit bin feeding upon dissolved organic detritus. The entity was then detained and transported to Sector 28. Class A amnestics were administered to all facility staff. Addendum 1542-2. Further medical examination of SCP-1542 uncovered an inscribed metallic rod surgically implanted within the redacted of the specimen. The rod bore the following inscription: Subject: A-35. Project: AN-1M4KR0021C. Prototype: HAG-092B1. Purpose: Waste 2B. Facility: DBO-18A1. Addendum 1542-3. Additional documentation was recovered from a USB flash drive located within the subject's torso as well as several scraps of white cloth. Recovered data was heavily encrypted and the device was partially damaged from acid exposure. The following document seems to outline the subject's initial capture and experimentation. Series 0021C. Date: the 15th of March, 1981. Location: Saskatchewan, Canada. Subject: Capture Report: Squad A-53B located the subject at approximately 0700 Sunday. No reported casualties. Subject successfully incapacitated before being relocated to test facility DBO-18C2. Chemical exposure report. Subject A-35 remained fully submerged for 23 hours. Upon removal from VAT-17GH8-1B, subject began losing cohesion between the hypodermis and underlying muscle tissue. Subject was subsequently sedated. Initial surgical report. Subject A-35 was moved to Surgical Bay E2 for additional chemical exposure BEF. All remaining information was too heavily corrupted for proper recovery. Further investigation into the organization behind SCP-1542's creation is currently underway.